All right, so I see and talk to and run into a lot of people that have used their personal credit cards to fund their business, and they're looking for ways to remedy this while they make money to pay everything off. All right, so I'm going to show you or give you an idea on how you can hide your personal credit utilization. Now, I hate telling people to use debt to pay off debt. However, there are people that are trying to make certain moves, and this may help some people. Do your research, and what's for you is for you, and what's not is not. Now, if you have maxed out personal credit cards, meaning, for example, if you have 3 credit cards and they're all 100% maxed out, this will not work for you. Unless, but I'll get to the unless a little further down. Now, the first thing you need to do, okay, if your credit utilization is high, you need to apply for a personal loan and use that personal loan to completely pay off your credit cards. Here's what happens when you apply for real business financing, right? The first thing they look at, the very first thing that they look at is your credit card utilization. That tells them a lot about you, okay? That tells them if you're impulse spender or if you're not, or if you're a responsible spender or if you're not, okay? Is by having it paid off, all of your credit cards paid off. The second thing will be your credit score. Once your credit cards are paid off, of course, your credit score will come up. But the credit score always determines your interest rates when it comes to business financing, whether it's for a business loan, business line of credit, credit cards. Although we know credit cards, the rate is variable. It goes up and down. Of course, if you have better credit, it's on the lower end, okay? So you will get this personal loan. You go to anybody, doesn't matter. Navy Federal, PNC, Bank of America, whoever, and get a personal loan to pay off those credit cards. Now, if your personal credit cards are 100% maxed out, even if you're at 90, 95% maxed out, they will deny you, okay? They will tell you that your utilization is way too high for us to give you a personal loan. So your only option, if your credit cards are 100% maxed out, will be to go to a predatory lender that will give you a debt consolidation loan, but, the interest rate on that is going to be crazy, okay? Now, once you are able to get that personal loan and pay those credit cards off, you then go to several different lenders. It can be, some of these lenders that strictly lend to business that do soft pools. It can be a Bank of America. It can be, PNC. It doesn't matter. And get a business line of credit or get a business loan. Now, you will need to have a real business. Yes, you will need to show business bank statements. Business lenders or banks that give business loans and business lines of credit, they love to see somebody that can walk in the door and have 0 credit utilization, okay? That will give them a hard on for you, okay? What you need to do, once you get that, because you've incurred this debt spending on your business, pay off that personal loan, okay? So now you have no credit card debt, and for the most part, you have 0 debt now, okay? You have 0 debt. Car loans and all that stuff, that's not really a big deal when it comes to getting more business funding. Now, you have now opened the door, okay, to access an unlimited amount, for the most part, almost, an unlimited amount of business capital. See, here's the thing. Anytime you go and apply for a business loan, they're not going to look to see if you have other business debt. Now, some banks will, but lenders also know that the majority of business credit, whether it's lines of credit and loans, don't report to business credit bureaus, or they may report to multiple business credit bureaus. But they know that pulling those won't tell them the whole picture. So what they look at is you personally every time. So if you go to them, you have no debt, you're almost guaranteed to get approved for something and have access to funds that I like to call off the grid, which means it's off of your credit report. It's off of you personally, okay? Now, in the instances where they will be able to see that you have debt is if you have something like an SBA loan, right? SBA loans, they file something called a UCC against your business. So they'll be able to see that because it'll be across all your business credit reports, right? Because like I mentioned, you have some business credit that may only report to Dun & Bradstreet or may only report to the Experian business, right? And then you have some that don't report to anybody, okay? Now, that's like I said, that's good or bad, right? But not all of these business companies or these business lenders or lenders, period, pull the business reports. Some do, some don't, like I said. And you can use that to your advantage. So that way you can get access to capital that you have just in case of an emergency, just in case of a big spend, and it doesn't mess up you personally. You looking good personally is what matters. If you go to any lending institution and you have zero credit utilization, you have zero debt, like no personal loans, no car loans, no nothing, that will give them a hard on, okay? And they will approve you for just about anything. As long as, now once you get to a certain amount, like, hey, I need 100 grand, right? Or 200 grand, $250,000, then they'll start asking you for, of course, the first thing they're always going to ask for is your business bank statements, but then that's when tax returns will come into play. But when it comes to small stuff like credit cards or small lines of credit, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, when it comes to, loans and stuff, small loans, stuff like that, you won't have any problems. Now, I always suggest that people have their tax returns and stop doing those write-offs, because those write-offs show them that once you write off a whole bunch of your income, they're going to use the income after the write-off. And for most people, it's zero. Okay. That will get you or keep you away from the big boy shit. But the whole point of this video is to show you how to hide your credit utilization. Because again, you're using your personal credit cards and these personal loans to pay for your business debt. But you need to get out of that, okay, and leave everything on the business side, okay? And it all starts with getting your credit card utilization under control. That's the first thing to look at, because credit cards are so easily accessible. Once you get a loan, like a personal loan, and that money is gone, that money's gone. But with the credit cards, you pay it back and then you can use that money again. So if your utilization is high, that's telling them that you're paying your credit card bill and then you're using the money again, okay? That looks irresponsible. And, that shows them that no matter how you feel, that you aren't responsible enough to deal with more money, okay? And that's just real.